Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, this is the temporary main menu. Hope you like it. It is for the Redstone update, which is what's currently going on. 0.06 Alpha is completely devoted to Redstone and everything around it. So I'm going to be adding in some new stuff. The actual method that it's using is completely virtualized, so it's kind of insanely complicated, but the benefits are extreme. So I might add in this random, or this background as a random background, so you could randomly get this. Also, there's a warning at the bottom, but that's only half the reason I'm showing you this. The other reason is to show you this. And I forgot to set it up. So let's just make the circuit and I'll show you. So you probably know what's happening by the fact that there's so many iron blocks everywhere. But now iron blocks work as capacitors, which is extremely useful. You could probably see from over there. But let me just show you what I was trying to show you. This works when you get back into the world. And if you'll notice, it takes a second to warm up because Redstone is completely virtualized, like I said. It is loading everything into memory by LBMs, and it is all stored in a local memory map. So everything you see happening is only happening during a Redstone update, and it is only stuff that is necessary to be re-implemented into the map. The other thing, which is the Redstone and all this happening, is completely done in memory. It is extremely complicated. So let me just move on to the next step. This is my favorite part, and this is why I made this huge thing right here. Okay, so you guys know BeastCons. Everybody knows BeastCons. BeastCons is awesome. This is BeastCons. It is a completely binary system. Now the good thing about this system, it accepts all inputs, but it only outputs into directional activators. What this means is you could have one input and many outputs, which is extremely good for modding. If you were ever wondering how you get a circuit upwards, this is what I had planned. Well, I actually originally had wire planned, but this is much better. It's also less GPU intensive because it's part of the map. It's a full-size node, and you can see that there's nothing rendered underneath it. So that's pretty cool. It is also infinite. This goes from, instead of being in the local memory map, this accesses the direct pool memory map, which is the 3D memory. Every piece of redstone, anything that activates redstone, anything that is redstone, is in the 3D memory map. So this is asynchronous from the world. What you see before your very eyes is only there because it needs to be there for visualization. And I need to update the actual map. You can't interact with the virtual memory map without the actual world being updated. Okay, we get a couple things here. So we got this random tick generator. What's going on here is this puts out 2 to 3 ticks. Let's see if we can get it to go back to 2. No. Doesn't want to do it now. It's completely random. No, not yet. Oh well. Sometimes it does 3, sometimes it does 2. It's really cool actually. So what's happening is this is sending a pulse into this circuit, and what happens is this extends this, which passes power through to here, and so this goes into an AND gate, which only activates when this turns back on. So it's extremely complicated, but it is useful for doing random stuff. So we have a couple things here. Let's see. I don't even know what to show you guys first. I think I accidentally removed everything. Nope. Okay. So if you combine this with basically lights, you can do some pretty crazy stuff. You need to leave space though. So let's put let's put that there. And so when that turns on there, it's actually in the wrong spot. That turns on there. That should be able to push that. And let me actually add in this, so that doesn't stack overflow. Okay. And I had to do an optimization. So this needs to actually be like this. So I'm a little you can probably tell I'm a little tired from all the mental work this took. Okay. So now we can do this. This is so cool. I can't even I get like the biggest smile on my face right now. Yes, this does not lag. This is crazy. And this will just keep going on. There's so many ways to generate pulse sticks now, it's crazy. And you can see I'm using sticky pistons, so it will create a space randomly. So what you can do is you can have a random input and a random timer. Dump data into this and you can create spaces. Oh yeah, so this one's sticky piston, this one's not. So that's cool. Oh man, it's so cool. Okay, so I got this one. Let's see. Oh, whoops. Let's get it going. Okay, this one is really fun. I think... Whoops. Oh boy, it flung it into the air. Oh man. And now. So, let me mute that for a second. You can see how useful this is. Oh, by the way, the reason I did this, let me use something that's not conductive. The reason why I did this, you guys are going to be amazed by this. Alright. We need to put this right about here. Okay, there we go. Let's put this one right about here. And let me give myself just a bunch of this. So this is a tick gate, which is super, super cool. What this means, let me mute this for a second. What this means is you can use this as lock gates. You can do different colors and set a specific number of colors and only have a door open if the user puts in the correct colors. So this is just insanely cool. You can also double this up, and you could have this one be the real gate and just have a bunch of colors on a secondary, and stack these up sideways and have the user keep toggling them until the right combination is input, so they can't see the iron block. So you can have essentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could have 8 of these things running, and you'd have a 4 combination lock for your house. So what else can we do with this? Also, let's set the time to 7,000 so this doesn't get destroyed. What else can we do with this? Well, there are a lot of things. I don't even know what to show you guys, actually. This video is already 10 minutes long. You can do some weird stuff. Like you can utilize this as a door mechanism. Since this can be activated and pushed at the same time, you can have it so sticky pistons push it out next to the other pistons, and then it activates it. You might have to put repeaters on the ground because it's got its limitations. So I'll go and make one of those, and yeah. Oh, I forgot. I did a lock. Let's see. Put that there. This is my favorite one, honestly. This is super cool. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoy this. If you like the video, why not like it? If you want to see more, why not subscribe? And the Patreon links on the YouTube banner if you want to throw me $1. But anyways, have fun with it. Make some crazy stuff with this, and see what you could do with it. Peace out.